You've installed a new hard drive in your PC, booted into Windows, and nothing. Where is it? We'll take it from here. Hello everyone and welcome to TechFixFlix. In this tutorial, we will initialize a new hard drive in Windows, making it available in File Explorer. This technique is applicable when adding either physical hard disks to a PC or, as in this example, adding virtual hard disks to a virtual machine. From our desktop, we right-click the Start button, selecting Disk Management from the menu which appears. Immediately, we see reference to the two disks we've added. We've added two disks rather than one, purely as we will be working with multiple disks in a future tutorial, and typically we add disks singularly. We click OK. With the pop-up cleared, we see Disk 0, our primary drive containing our C volume on which Windows is stored, as well as a recovery partition. We will be leaving this alone for the well-being of the system. This leaves Disk 1 at 10GB currently unallocated. Why such a small size? This is purely for demonstration purposes and for use in upcoming tutorials. Scrolling down, we see Disk 2 at 15GB, also unallocated. Briefly heading to File Explorer, we can see that what we've done so far isn't sufficient to initialize the disks. Returning to Disk Management, we select Disk 1, then right-click it. From the menu which appears, we select New Simple Volume, and the New Simple Volume wizard appears, at which we click Next. We now select our volume size. By default, this is set to the maximum physical capacity of the disk, and this is exactly what we want. We therefore click Next. The following screen affords us the opportunity to select our drive letter from the drop-down, and in this instance, we'll use E as the next available letter in sequence, although you can choose any available letter before again clicking Next. Unless you have a specific reason to change away from the default, we would recommend retaining NTFS as the filing system at the next screen. But you should change the volume label to something more descriptive, and here we change ours to Games. Clicking Next prompts the appearance of a summary of our selections, and we click Finish. Our Games drive now has a primary partition, which means it can be seen by the operating system. We repeat this process, creating a volume labelled Music from our second drive. We now have two drives available for use in File Explorer. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing by clicking the logo on screen now. If you'd like to see more, there are two suggestions currently on screen. If you have a better, faster or more economical solution, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. You're also welcome to follow us on Twitter. Until your next tech fix, goodbye.